Now is the moment of truth. Everything is connected. Side batteries, double deck batteries. I need to find a way to fix it somehow and put something here so it will be something like this one. So this side battery is super sturdy. Connected here, first floor to the ground floor, first floor to the side batteries, double connections. I couldn't make it triple, and I guess let's hope for the best. So finally, on a rainy day, we made it to take G-wiz out of the box. He was working, and tomorrow we'll do a brief test.